Slide the station dial to open the flip. Take out the WINBOT from station. Scan the QR code on the station or at the bottom of WINBOT to download and install the EcoVax Home app. Or you can also download the EcoVax Home app from your App Store. Open EcoVax Home app to scan the QR code on the station and follow the wizard to connect WINBOT. You can use the tips on the top right corner of the app to quickly learn about the use of WINBOT. You can also choose different cleaning modes, including thorough, deep, fast, edge, and spot. When the WINBOT starts to work, you can also click the remote control button to freely control the machine's direction and manually spray water with a 360 degrees range of motion. This chapter ends here. Thank you for watching. You can also click on the Help section in the app settings to watch more instructional videos.